Welcome to Salesforce training videos from SPTech. SPTech is Salesforce consulting services based in Atlanta, Georgia. In this module, I'm going to demonstrate you how you can configure list view in Salesforce. So if you click on any object, let's say I'm on employee. So if you go here, so here you can see we have these two list views, recently viewed and all. So by default, for each object, recently viewed is displayed. If you click on all, so it will show all the records automatically. And here we have two fields. So if you want to show more fields under particular list view, so you need to go here and you can select this option, select fields to display. So apart from employee number and organization, if you want to show any other field, let's say department and bands. So you can select those fields and click on save. So these fields will be available here, right? So this is the way like you can configure existing list views, modify them. Now, if you want to create net new list views, that is also possible. So if I click here, so here we have these options: new, clone, rename. So net new, clone. You can clone existing list view, rename for changing the name. Sharing setting means like who can access that particular list view in the org. Then we can apply filters as well in the list view so that conditional on the basis of condition records will be displayed. And this I already demonstrated, and delete to delete the list view. So I'm clicking on new. So here I'm going to show the employees who belongs to HR department. So I am labeling it as HR employees. Then this is the sharing setting. Only I can see this list view, all users, and share with a group of users. So I'm selecting all users, clicking on save. So here you can see HR employees list view is created, and by default employee numbers are displayed. Now at right hand side, you can see filters option is available. So if you click here, so we have these two options, all employees and my employees. So all employees means the employee record which are created by any user in the org, they will be displayed. And if I select my employees, so the employee record which I created through my user, so those will be listed. So I'm selecting all and done. Then if I want to apply more filters, so I can do that. So I am selecting department equals HR. So only those records will be displayed. Those belongs to HR department. So I selected and clicking on save. So only one record is there that belongs to HR department. So I'm closing this. Now I'm going to add some fields so that we can see the values. So I'm selecting department, bands, then organization, salary, and working days. So these 6 fields I selected. So you can see this way, all these information will be displayed. And if you want to modify something here, so you can do that as well. And at the bottom, you can click on save. So this is known as inline editing. So if from the list view, whatever records are filters, so you can apply inline editing as well. And if you want to change the filter, so you can click on this button. So it will open up filter automatically. And that option is available here as well, edit list filters. Right, so this way, this is about list view. One more option is available, like recently viewed is pinned. Now, every time, like whenever you click on this employees tab, you want this employee should display this all as pinned. So you can select this. Now, all is pinned and recently viewed is not. So if I go to opportunities, So here you can see I clicked on opportunities. Now I'm moving to employees. So you will see all list view by default. So this is something about list views that is very useful option in Salesforce. So if you are based in USA and looking to start or advance your career with Salesforce, please reach out to us at hr@sptechusa.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Salesforce training videos. Thank you.